Nice chemtrail sunset. Just put it out. Choppy this morning. I've never seen a hard east wind. It's getting to be full moon. Tomorrow night will be full moon. I don't want to get wet out here. Maybe I don't want to get too wet. Full moon tomorrow night. When the sun goes down at the exact same time the moon comes up, it is full moon. Woo, rock and rolling. Autopilot trying to keep the boat straight. But chemtrail sunsets. Sad to say, there used to be no lines in my sunsets. I got hundreds of photos. Hundreds of photos of sunsets with no chemtrails. Oh, there's a new one right there. See the aircraft. I don't know. Lots of trailing today on the way up to work. Standing by.